Briefly discuss how options are different from shares of stock. Option characteristic number 1 is that all options have an expiration date. This is different from shares of stock because if you buy a share of a company's stock, there's no expiration date on that position. You can hold that share of stock forever as long as that company doesn't go private. There's nothing that's forcing you from closing that position. But with options, all option contracts have an expiration date, and the expiration date could be today or it could be 2.5 years from now, and that means that when you are trading options, you have to choose a time frame for your position. Now this will make more sense when we go through the examples in just a second, but the first thing to know is that all options have an expiration date, and after that expiration date, that option will no longer exist. Option characteristic number 2 is that all options have what is called a strike price. The strike price is the price in which the option can be converted into shares of stock. And exactly what that means is that if I have an option with a strike price of $105, that means that in the future, if I want to buy or sell shares of stock using my option, I can do so at the option strike price of $105. So this is really important, and it doesn't have to make sense right now, but basically an option's entire valuation or price is based on the fact that it has the ability to be converted into shares of stock at its strike price. So we'll go through a bunch of examples, so don't worry if this doesn't make sense quite yet.